Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Python and pip are ready, because reproducibility matters. Once done, install Opencv and NumPy so you can read and process images. Make sure to use a virtual environment if you share code. Next, place sample images in a known folder and note absolute paths, because relative paths can break when running from editors. Finally, open a lightweight editor, create a new script file, and import CV2 and NumPy to begin. This gets you into actionable coding immediately. Now you load and inspect an image because seeing pixels guides choices. Read with CV2. Read and check for none to catch path errors. If you see BGR colors, convert to RGB or grayscale using CV2. CVT color depending on the task. Once loaded, preprocess. Resize with CV2. Resize to a consistent shape and crop via array slicing to focus on regions of interest. Use NumPy operations to normalize or threshold. These steps reduce noise and speed up subsequent detection or feature extraction, so do them carefully. Finish by displaying and saving results so you can verify outcomes. Call CV2. Show and CV2. Wait key, then release windows with CV2. Destroy all windows. When saving, use CV2. Write and confirm the image D-type matches expected formats because mismatched types produce corrupted files. If you integrate with Matplotlib, convert BGR to RGB first. If things go wrong, check file paths, D-type, and color order. Often the culprit is a wrong path or forgetting CV2. Color BGR to RGB. Fix those and rerun the script.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.